Hello everybody. Had a guy wanted me to do a video on this 1973 Plymouth Duster I've got sitting back here. So we'll walk back here and do a video on this car. We had to cut a bunch of little trees out from around it for we'll be able to see it pretty good. I just love these old cars. I just love them. These old Dusters were sensational. You could get them with a slant 6 or 318 or even a 340 in some of them. Give you a view from over here, and then we'll pop the hood. Front bumper's pretty decent. Grills. That grill actually looks sensational from what I'm seeing of it. Headlight bezel on the passenger side is bent. Driver's side one is gone. Hood looks really good. Go ahead and pop this hood up here. This thing was a slant 6, or leaning tower of power, or the hillside Hemi. Automatic transmission. Like I said, you could get these cars factory with a 318 or the 340. Now this one was running when it came in here. It's been several years ago, but I had put a jug of gas out here, run this line to the fuel pump where it would just pump straight from that jug instead of the tank, and had this car running. Like I said, that has been many years ago. Still all seems to be complete under the hood, except for the windshield wiper motor is gone. And this was actually a factory AC car. And the compressor will be gone here. But still got the condenser up front. There's the lines for the compressor. So it is missing the air compressor, windshield wiper motor, and the breather. Other than that, it seems to be complete under the hood, and this old hood is solid. Got a little surface rust, but nothing eat through it at all. I'll let that back down. What am I hitting here? I'm hitting my gas jug. Lay this over out of the way. Get to lay down there. Like I said, it is a 1973 Plymouth Duster. Duster. Open the door and take us a look inside here. These old doors and everything seem to be really solid on the car. Dash is all still in it. The sun has really been hard on the dash pad. There's the other driver's side headlight bezel laying on the floor over there with the hubcap. And there's the AC compressor laying on the floor over there. Sure is. Feel these floor pans. Them floor pans feel pretty solid still in it. Yes, they actually feel. I'm impressed with how good those floor pans feel. The doors seem to be pretty solid and in good shape. I'm gonna get this car up off the ground here and get wheels and tires on it. Told you we had to cut trees out from around here. There was trees growed up beside the car. Coming up out here, there were several trees that size just growed up all around the car. Had a guy wanting to request to do a video on it, so went in and cut the trees out from around it. This quarter panel right here has got a little slit in it that would have to be fixed. And it's starting to get a little rust right at the bottom of this quarter. The door has already been replaced for some reason. Let me see if I can find something to get this trunk lid open with. I don't have a screwdriver or nothing on me, but the trunk lock is out of it. So let me see if I can find something to get this trunk lid open with here. Is this car, I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's go back here and raise the hood. I don't know if you guys have ever done this or not, but sometimes I don't have anything with me to open the trunk with. I will actually use the dipstick. The old saying goes, think with your dipstick, Jimmy. That's sensational. Let's see if I can get this thing stuck in there. And I usually push it way up in there. There we go. Bottom of this trunk lid. Looks good. Trunk bottom seems to be good. This car really needs to be got out of here and be fixed. That's why I'm fixing to get the wheels and tires on it. Like I said, to get it raised up off the ground. I'm gonna get all this crud cleaned out of the tracks here, and it still looks good and solid, even in the track. I'm impressed it's still even painted in the track. Car has been caught in time here to be fixed, and that's what needs to happen to it. So we'll come back over, clean all that out all the way around under the hood, clean the stuff up between the bumpers and the car. How many of you guys have used a dipstick before to open the trunk lid? It just slides right through that slot right there, which is actually turned now. I need to turn it back for the trunk lid would latch. Probably won't be able to slide it back in now as easy as I did the first time. I just slid that thing right in there. Oh, we're almost there. There we go. Now we need to see, now we turned it back. That opens it, that locks it back. How many of you guys have ever done that old dipstick trick before? Hit me up in the comments, let me know. And if you guys have just learned something, I just learned just something right there, hit me up and let me know. I'm just curious how many people know about that dipstick trick. But that dipstick trick is sensational when you're out here, don't have your pocket knife, don't have a screwdriver, and you're thinking, what am I going to open this trunk lid with? Well, use your dipstick. I am impressed with the trunk lid and the hood and the trunk bottom and a lot about this car, because it has been sitting here for many years. There's the video, guys. I'll come back to another video real soon. Hope everybody's having a sensational day. And like I said, don't forget to hit me up in them comments. Let me know if you ever used that dipstick or not, or if I just learned you something. Have a sensational day, guys.